Assalamualaikum friends, in this video I am going to unbox 3110 tripod. So let's start. So in this box we can see it has 3-way pen head, 4-section leg, quick lever lock, rubber strip, and this name is 3110 tripod. Here you can see some other information. Its weight is 420 gram and it is made in China. So let's open its box. After opening we can see a mobile or camera holder and a nice bag. We can find this beautiful bag from this tripod box. Let's open it. Here is our tripod. It is a very cheap and best quality tripod. You can see we can easily operate this. It has an indicator. We can make it big and longer. After opening we have to lock. Here is our tripod. So we have to add our mobile holder like this. We can easily rotate these things in 180 degree like this and make our video qualityful. We can see this is our tripod. We can make more long this tripod. By the way, it is very nice and beautiful stable tripod. You can make it more long by doing this. Here is our tripod. Isn't good? You can find it in $4. I hope you like the video. You can easily capture photo or video with this tripod. Like the video, comment down, and don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more video. Allah Hafiz.